Day 134, Deuteronomy 13-14, Wisdom 7, Psalm 22. In Deuteronomy 13 and 14, Moses warns Israel about the danger of spiritual compromise. Even if a prophet performs signs or a loved one whispers new spiritual ideas, if they lead away from God, they must be rejected. Loyalty to the Lord takes precedence over every relationship and cultural pull. Chapter 14 then shifts to the identity of God's people. Israel is set apart. Their diet, mourning practices, and tithes reflect their holy calling. Everything about their daily life is meant to display their belonging to the Lord. Wisdom chapter 7 is one of the most beautiful reflections on wisdom in all of Scripture. Solomon speaks of wisdom as a divine gift, more valuable than riches, power, or beauty. Wisdom shapes righteous living, gives understanding of the world, and connects us to God's purposes. It is a reminder that true wisdom is both practical and eternal. It teaches us how to live well now and prepares us for eternity. Psalm 122 captures the joy of worship in God's house. The psalmist delights in going to the Lord's temple and prays for peace in Jerusalem. It's a psalm of unity, worship, and intercession for God's people. Worship is not just an individual act. It draws us together, reminding us that we belong to a larger family of faith. Which part of today's reading inspired you most? God's call to holiness, the beauty of wisdom, or the joy of worship?